Hello everyone. In this video, I am solving one question from the in-text part, page number 100, question number 2. I'm solving question number 2. Watch the video carefully and note down how I have solved it. So reading the question, a farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? So as usual, we will first write down the things which are given. So first of all, it is given there, the farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter. It is a square field, so we can make the diagram to make it easy for understanding. This can be our square field having sides A, B, C and D. The length of one of the side is 10 meter. So the farmer is moving along the boundary. So the length of one side meter. Time taken 40 seconds. So in 40 seconds, the farmer is moving in one side. That means to move from A to B, the farmer needs 40 seconds. So we have to find out how much displacement the farmer will cover at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So total time is given as 2 minutes 20 seconds. We'll convert this 2 minutes 20 seconds into seconds. So this will be 140 seconds if we are converting 2 minutes 20 seconds directly into seconds. So the total time taken by the farmer is 140 seconds. Now we need to find out that in 140 seconds how many rounds of the field the farmer can complete. Basically, to move from A to B means to move in one side, the farmer needs 40 seconds. So similarly, if this is 40 seconds, this will be another 40, this will be another 40, this will be another 40. Like this it will move on. A to B 40, B to C again 40, C to D again 40 seconds, D to A again 40 seconds, again it will repeat. So we need to find out how many total rounds the farmer will complete. So total rounds of field equal to total time divided by time taken for to move in one side. 140 divided by 40. So we can cancel out the zeros and we'll do basic division. So 4 3s are 12 and 20, 4 5s are 20. So in total 140 seconds, the farmer will move 3.5 rounds. Like it will be like this. If he is starting from A, 1 round, second round and a third round, it will be like this. First he will be starting from A, he will be giving one round. Okay, then he will be giving another round. He will giving one more round. Total 3 rounds are there. Third round, and finally since it is 0.5, or you can write like, if we separate this out, it will be like this, 3 plus 0.5. So finally one last round or half round is there. So the farmer will move from here up to here. So this will be the last round of the farmer. Starting from A, the last round will be go up to C, that is the half round. Now we need to find out it's the farmer's displacement, how much he moved, how much area he displaced. So we learned in the beginning of the chapter, if an object is moving from A to B and coming back to A, the total displacement is 0. If the object is moving from its initial position and coming back to the initial position, is termed as 0. So here likewise, in the 3 rounds, in 3 rounds, total displacement will be 0, because the farmer is starting from A and coming back to A in total 3 rounds. So the original displacement will be in the last round. So the last round will be starting from A, finishing at C. We learned displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. So the shortest distance between the 2 points is this line. So the farmer's displacement will be from A up to C. And if you look closely, this is a right angle triangle, starting from A, finishing at C. So we can find out the displacement equal to under root AB square plus BC square, which is 10 square plus 10 square. This is simple mathematics, which is 200, which you can write as 10 root 2 meter. So that is the final displacement of the, or you can say the total displacement of the farmer, that is 10 root 2 meter. If you know to convert if you know how to convert root 2 into decimal value or its value, you can do it. Or if you don't know, you can also leave the answer like this, 10 root 2 meter. So like this, one more question is there in page number 112, question number 1. So solve that question number 1 from the exercises. Thank you.